Being elderly, I've been concerned about my heart lately.
Well, I've heard about several things that can reduce your risk of heart disease.
Oh, really? Like what? I'm not getting any younger.
Calm down, stress is not going to help your heart any. New research has shown that eating grapes can lower your blood pressure and improve your heart function.
That's interesting. Is there anything else I could do?
Word on the street is that you should exercise regularly, eat foods low in saturated fats and watch your weight.
Are you telling me I'm fat?
No. Maybe.
I am very attractive. But maybe I should eat more grapes.
A new machine developed at North Carolina State University makes an animal heart pump much like a live heart after it has been removed from the animal's body, allowing researchers to expedite the development of new tools and techniques for heart surgery. The machine saves researchers time and money by allowing them to test and refine their technologies in a realistic surgical environment, without the cost and time associated with animal or clinical trials.
You sure do have a putty mouth. Tell me more.
The computer-controlled machine, which operates using pressurized saline solution, also allows researchers to film the interior workings of the pumping heart, enabling them to ascertain exactly which surgical technologies and techniques perform best for repairing heart valves. It costs approximately $25 to run an experiment on the machine, says Richards, whereas a similar experiment using a live animal costs approximately $2,500.
They can use my heart when I'm done with it.
Cool story, bro. Tell it again. They are doing many studies on the heart these days. In a compact lab space at Stanford University, Oscar Abiles, MD, trains a microscope on a small collection of cells in a petri dish. A video recorder projects what the microscope sees on a nearby monitor. The cells in the dish pulse rhythmically, about once a second. The cells are cardiomyocytes, which drive the force-producing and pacemaker functions of the human heart. They are programmed to pulse. They will beat this way until they die. To create the light-responsive heart cells, the researchers first inserted DNA encoding a light-sensitive protein called Chanel-rhodopsin 2, or CHR2, into human embryonic stem cells. CHR2 controls the flow of electrically charged ions into the cell. For heart cells, the primary ion is sodium, which initiates an electrochemical cascade that causes the cell to contract. They then transformed the optogenetically engineered stem cells into cardiomyocytes unlike any others, those that respond to light.
That is snazzy.
The leads for such a light-based pacemaker might be placed outside the heart, but inside the pericardium, the protective sac surrounding the heart. Or, someday, the researchers say, there might be a pacemaker placed inside the heart chambers, as with traditional pacemakers, whose light can travel through the intervening blood to pace light-sensitive heart cells implanted inside.
So this device would be in my heart? Woo-ooh.
That's right. I hope you learned some useful stuff. Just because you're old, doesn't mean you're going to die soon. You can take care of yourself.
Thank you, British Panda.
You're welcome, Queen Elizabeth.